The reflection of plastic. Once upon a time, the ocean was a vibrant world, teeming with life. Coral reefs flourished, fish swam in schools, and the balance of nature was maintained by an intricate web of marine ecosystems. But beneath the surface, a new threat began to emerge, one that was nearly invisible to the naked eye. The reflection of plastic nanoparticles, so small that they could easily be mistaken for grains of sand, began infiltrating the oceans. These particles come from the breakdown of larger plastic debris, from microbeads in cosmetics, and even from the fibers of synthetic clothing. Though tiny, they carried a massive impact. Marine life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales, began to ingest these plastic nanoparticles. They became lodged in the tissues of fish, entered the bloodstream of sea turtles, and even found their way into the cells of coral reefs. The particles disrupted the feeding and reproductive systems of these creatures, weakening their ability to survive. As these tiny particles moved up the food chain, their effects multiplied. Predators who ate contaminated prey accumulated more and more plastic in their bodies. This bioaccumulation threatened entire species and disrupted the delicate balance of marine ecosystems, leading to declines in fish populations and the collapse of coral reefs. The future of our oceans hangs in the balance. If we continue to ignore the invisible threat of plastic nanoparticles, the consequences could be catastrophic, not just for marine life, but for the entire planet. But there is hope. By reducing plastic waste, improving waste management systems, and developing new materials, we can protect our oceans and the life they support. The story of plastic nanoparticles is still being written. It's up to us to decide the ending. Will we allow this invisible threat to continue its silent destruction, or will we take action to restore the health of our oceans? The choice is ours, and the time to act is now. Thank you for joining us in exploring the story of plastic nanoparticles and their impact on marine ecosystems. Let's work together to protect our oceans for future generations.